So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng profile picture sa ating LokLok account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open muna natin ang ating LokLok account or yung ating LokLok app. Then after yan guys, mula dito sa homepage, itap lang natin yung me na nandito sa may lower part para mapunta tayo sa pinakang profile ng ating account. So ayan guys, dito sa profile, kung gusto nyo palitan yung inyong profile picture, itap nyo lang yung inyong profile picture. So tap nyo lang. And then dito sa pinakang profile guys, itap nyo lang yung edit na katabi ng inyong profile name. So tap nyo lang. And dito guys, pwede nyo nang palitan yung inyong profile picture. So tap nyo lang yung camera button. And then after nyan guys, pumili na kayo dito ng picture na gusto nyong ilagay sa inyong LokLok account. So tap nyo lang guys yung photo or picture na gusto nyong ilagay sa inyong LokLok. And then after nyan guys, i-crop nyo yung picture. And then tap nyo naman yung check button na nandito sa upper right corner para ma-save. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, napalitan na ng picture yung aking profile. So ayan guys. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng profile picture sa ating LokLok account. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.